Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. I'm back with another easy tutorial video on how to log into your Halifax car insurance account using your computer. Keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser and in the web address bar that pops up at the top type in www.halifax.co.uk/insurance/car-existing-customers.html and press enter on your keyboard. I will drop down the link in the description box. Go check it out and click on the link in order to end up in this page. Make sure that you are clicked on this existing customer tab. Now, if you're an existing car insurance customer for Halifax, then scroll a bit down and you'll be able to see sign into my account button. As an existing customer, you can make changes to your car insurance policy whenever you want or wherever you are. Simply click on sign into my account button and this will take you to a new tab. Here, you can type in your login details, that is your email address and your password that is associated with your Halifax account, and you'll be good to go. Start off by typing in your email address that is associated with your car insurance account for Halifax. Make sure to provide the correct information. Now, head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct as well. You can double check your password by clicking on the eye icon at the right corner of the box, which will help you reveal your password. In case you've forgotten your password and you don't know what to do next, click on Forgotten Your Password link above and follow the on-screen prompts so that you can look for a new password. Finally, after you are done typing in your information is correct and you're ready to log in and get access to your Halifax car insurance account, click the login button in blue at the bottom. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.